Okay, so I posted a video lately about Suzuki SX4 and Vitara airbag recall. It was some time ago, but it's possible that some people still have some cars that qualify for the recall to be covered under warranty. So the recall failure to be covered under warranty. So they've been asking, well, how do you find Suzuki approved dealers in my area, whether it be Canada or in the States? I can't speak for the rest of the world at the moment. I've only looked into the details for Canada and the States. So fortunately, Suzuki does provide us some details. So let me go to another page, tear myself away from my Guy Martin YouTube videos for a minute. So if you put in the address, up on the address line, Suzuki.ca, yeah, I can't type worth a damn. You come to this page here. Go to up on the line here. You'll see right here. Go to Auto. Go to Find Unauthorized Service Facility, and it brings you up to this page, Find Suzuki. So I'm just going to put in my own postal code here. I don't care if the world knows my postal code, that makes no never mind to me. Click Find, and you're going to see that if you zoom out, it's in very, very tight, but if you zoom out, here I am in Southern Ontario. It shows me where my local service center is, and the address is actually noted right here. It's in Brampton, Ontario in my case. I don't live in Brampton, but that's quite close. You can actually drop the on the drop down list, select 100 kilometers. It's just finding one within 25 of me, and you can see in Southern Ontario there's a number, and of course if you zoom out, well, anyway, you get the idea. You can zoom in and out and find where your local dealer is. So whatever part of Canada you're in, go to this particular site and you should be able to find a garage that's suitable. There's many listed here, and I was mistaken. It's not just Nissan. You can see there's a Kia listed here. Still a Suzuki listing there. I don't know. It might be different all over the country. All over the continent, all over the planet for that matter. I don't really know. So anyway, that's the detail with respect to Canada. Let me see if I can show you for the States. Just Google Suzuki. Sorry. Oh, damn it. I'm nervous. I'm under pressure. Suzuki.com. This page will come up. This is the .com page. You'll see there's a right here, automotive, parts and warranty. You can find, hopefully I get this right, service providers. This tab here, service providers. And again, I can't speak to how current this is. I really don't know. I wouldn't be able to check it. I don't live in the States. So I've pumped in my fictitious Hollywood zip code here, 902, no, that's not right, 90210 is supposed to be right. If I remember the TV show back in the 80s, I'm a poser for the 80s, 90210. Jesus Christ. Sorry. 10. There we go, we'll get it right. Maybe that was the 90s. I don't know. Anyway, I remember the show. So, and again, so here I'm in Los Angeles area, I guess, California. And again, a dealership for Los Angeles is popped up here, and some details there. So that's the best I can do for you folks. Maybe that'll help. Suzuki.ca. Suzuki.com. Just follow the tabs for finding the dealerships as I showed you there, the service centers, and hopefully that helps somebody. Sorry about the poor quality of the video. This is just my wee cheap phone. Of course, I end up with the worst phone in the household, right? Kids get the best ones, so that explains the poor quality of the video. So hopefully you can still make out what I'm trying to, the point I'm trying to get across here. And best of luck with your inquiries. Cheers.